what's up guys? Welcome back to my show. You think you got hired from the bunch, but you're actually getting fired among the bunches. This is Hire a Bunch of Fire Bunches. My name is Rom, and I'm back to the show to give you guys more inside but well, actually today is a little bit special episode comparing to my other interview, job application, and job question episode. So today I'm having another unboxing video in regards of my recent system upgrades. This is going to be the one and the only Nvidia GeForce RTX 4060 video cards unboxing. Huh? You asked me why I'm going to do that? Well, basically, well, if you remember all my other unboxing video, check my link over there. It's a playlist actually for all my techie content. I have been trying to upload or upgrade my system, you know, including my microphone here, you know, and also the controller for my motion capture. This one, yay, yeah. I've upgraded from the first generation Ultra Leap to second generation. And now I wanted to do my video cards or graphic cards so that we will have better outcome for the episode, right? That's of course. So I'll keep it very short. So basically, first of all, I'm gonna stop popping my unboxing. And let's go ahead and do this. Yep. All right, so this is a little video that I have over here for you guys to show the whole process. Basically, yeah, this is my unboxing. This is the Asus overclock, a 4060 version that I bought from Asus. Dual OC, 8 gigabytes, and the package is still in seal. You know, I have my Euro white gloves, of course, and also my my phone was playing my video so that you guys know it's me. And also my Browdy action figure all the time. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to break the seal without breaking it. So what I was using is basically something called hair dryer. Hair blower, if you say. So I'm pretty much blow all the way down. You heat up the glue behind the thing, and I'm trying to, you know, so I can take it off without scratching on the surface of the box. Here we go. You got that seals off. What I'm trying to do is I try to remove the remains of the glue from the seal, so the box's surface will be more smoother, much smoother. Okay, so we took it off, and here you go. You got that. It's like a gift box wise stuff, and you have the coated. I don't know what that means. Maybe for the packaging. And then you take off the lip, and here we go. The Asus brand new 4060 RTX 4060. Excuse me. Voila. And that's you. I have to take it off by hands without hair dryer. And it's a pretty bulky, but it's not as long as my older video card, graphic card, which I'm going to show you later. And yeah. So that's the caps for the PCI. And right, and I take it off. So what's inside of it is I think that's for cell phone support. That's a bonus from this item. And you also have you know, your warranty, your instruction manual, and the safety cards. And this card, I don't know, it's probably for gifts or something. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty good. And of course, later on, I put it on my computer and I did a little bit comparison photograph to show you guys the size and also the yeah. Okay, that's pretty much it. I took some pictures, like a comparison, you know, compared to giving some references so you guys know the size of the video cards. And we get back to here. All right, so here we go. This is my old iPhone SE 2nd generation. I think I bought it 2020 or 2021. And this is that video card, right? Yeah, that's the compare. I don't recall like exactly how long the iPhone is, but this is a video card. And then this is my old video card. This is Gigabyte's GTX or RTX 1070. 8 gigabytes. Ah man, that's some long thing. And this is the new card that I bought. So, well, what you can say. So far so good. And now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to show you guys a benchmark. And this benchmark is called Heaven. Yeah, I know this is not the Direct 12, but you know, I'm still trying to show you guys the process and how well the new car is gonna handle. All right. Okay, we're back. So I'm gonna start it. Benchmark. Okay, here we go. We're back. So I don't know how the my video software gonna capture this benchmark, but for me it's pretty smooth. Yeah, but yeah, I know it's Direct 11 version. My car is supposed to run on a Direct 12, but I still wanted to show you guys the benchmark and how well it is on this card. But yeah, everything on here is pretty smooth. I think you can hear the sound, right? The music. That's the boats. And yeah, I think I got pretty good FPS. So let's round another maybe 4 to 5 scene right here, and then I'll stop because 26 is gonna take a few minutes, and we don't have to do that. There we go. Oh, look at that, the dragon. See, some people said this card is actually very good for old game, of course, but because of the PCIe it runs on, it's actually only 8 times, so it's not gonna be on 16 times, which is more, give you more bandwidth. But I think, you know, I don't usually do so many super games, so I think I should be good. And it's pretty cost efficient, so. All right, one more scene, we're good. Nice. Okay, we're good. All right, so I'm gonna be getting back to the video. Oh, I'm sorry. Getting back to the studio. So yeah, man. It's very interesting. Yeah, it's a pretty good little cards over there, and I think so far, looking at the benchmark, it's pretty good. It's giving me like 100 average FPS for something like this. But yeah, well, I would say I'll keep an eye on this one. If it doesn't really work on, you know, live streaming or just as simple as making videos, I'll probably getting upgrades. But you know, it's a never-ending game. They always want you to buy the latest stuff. But yeah, that's it. But hey, look, If you're interested in my other unboxing video for my system, you know, progress of my system upgrades, make sure you check those in my playlist, and I'll make sure I make more videos on topic like this. But still, we're getting new episodes for interviews and job application interview questions, so stay tuned. Hey, if you got comments, make sure you leave below. Like or dislike, just leave comments. I'll make sure to check it and make content on it, like free giveaway. But other than that, hit the like button, and make sure you subscribe and share it to other people who might think it's useful. And I'll see you when I see you for the next episode. Peace out.